What's up viewers, Eric from B-Side. Today I'm here at OEM Audio Plus. We just finished installing the Apple CarPlay Android Auto interface for the Tundra, and now we're going to move on to work on this 2017 RAV4 hybrid. The same Apple CarPlay Android Auto interface is compatible with select 2014 to all the way to 2019 Toyota models that are using Entune 2.0 and 2.5, such as this model here. So let's not waste any time and dig in. So we want to first remove this piece over here. So just grab your hand in here and just go sideways like this, like that, and put it aside where you won't scratch it. And then next you want to remove the side vents, like that. Okay, once the side vents are removed, we need to remove this middle piece here. Just put your hand behind and you could actually press the clip out, just like that, on both sides. Okay, just carefully remove this. There's a connector back here. Okay, and now we see the 4 bolts that needs to be removed. Okay, and after you remove the 4 bolts, get a really thick blanket, and then you're gonna pull it out and place it on the blanket so that you don't scratch any of the interior. So it's like this. Okay, so I went ahead and just removed this harness, as this is a short harness that was keeping the radio from coming out because it has the OEM audio kit in here. You shouldn't have that issue. So you'll be able to pull out radio around this much here. And once you have this exposed, the connectors that we're gonna be working on is the connector that I pulled out. In addition, this one and this one. So these 3, 1, 2, and 3. And actually 4th one as well, the USB connector over here. We are going to be using the optional USB harness to retain the use of the factory USB plug for the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto interface. All right, and before we start with the connection, let's prepare our interface device by connecting all the wires together. If you want to see how to do that, click the link below and it'll show you exactly how to prepare the interface to install to the vehicle. All right, now that we have everything pre-connected, let's go ahead and connect it to all the connectors that I mentioned. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull these guys out. It's all daisy chain plug and play. Everything snaps into place. If something's not going in, do not force it. Alright, now that everything is connected, let's go ahead and test it, see how well it works. Alright, so that's a good sign. It's switching over to the Apple CarPlay Android Auto interface mode. Plug our phone in. Alright, well now that we confirmed that it's working, let's go ahead and route the mic all the way over here through the A-pillar, all the way down below and behind the radio. And let's clean up the wires a bit and tuck it nicely behind the radio. So we're gonna do that right now. Alright guys, so we went ahead, tested everything worked. We tucked in all the wires. We carefully placed the interface behind the radio. There was some room on the bottom. And we routed the mic. And then we reversed order our installation. So now everything is back to its normal state with the Apple CarPlay Android Auto interface. And as you can see right now, we're at the source menu. Everything is gonna work as it did from the beginning. So that if you wanna go and listen to your AM or FM or XM, you can go ahead and just do that normally without any issue. So one thing that's gonna change though is your auxiliary is no longer going to be available because the Apple CarPlay is going to use that for your sound. So let me show you how everything works. From your source menu, before you get into your Apple CarPlay mode, you want to select the auxiliary, as you can see over here. And after you select that, go to your power button and then go ahead and double click it slowly. And once you do that, you'll see the screen that says system ready. And once you see that screen, you could go ahead and plug in a normal USB to lightning cable into your factory USB slot. And then once you do that, your phone will turn into this screen. And then the Apple CarPlay application will appear on your screen like this. And after it appears on your screen, everything will be touch screen. This one you cannot swipe because of the nature of how the screen was designed from the factory. It's not swipeable. And then all your applications will work as a normal Apple CarPlay application. Even Siri, you could even use Siri. Hey Siri. And if you want to play some music, you can also do so as well. And as of the steering wheel controls, your volume will continue to work, but for your seek, you will have to do it on the screen. Alright guys, well this concludes our installation and demonstration on this Apple CarPlay Android Auto interface for Toyotas ranging from 2014 all the way to 2019 using Entune 2.0 and 2.5. Work for both nav and non-nav and also with JBL and without JBL. If you have any questions, shoot us an email at info@bsonikusa.com. You can also leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.